Kuki-NP Manipur has reiterated its firm resolve to not hold any dialogue with the state government under Chief Minister N. Biren in the process to restore normalcy in state. According to a press release issued by Kuki-NP Manipur, it has refuted the recent statement of Chief Minister N. Biren to hold talks with various stakeholders to ensure peace and stability in the state. It further alleged that the ongoing crisis is a pre-planned ethnic cleansing against the Kuki-Zo'S community by Chief Minister N. Biren. The N. Biren-led government is standing against the Kuki-Zo'S community since 2017, citing that total separation with the Meitei community is the only solution for lasting peace and harmony. It said that Kuki-NP Manipur will always stand for the rights and privileges under the territorial integrity of the Kuki-Zo'S community.